Hi, I'm Dr. Eric Brkwinski from West Coast Family Chiropractic, going over a lumbar adjustment. Now, I have already examined and assessed my patient on the lumbar spine, which are your lowest 5 vertebrae. Okay, the adjustment is a very specific correction at the right level in the specific direction with the exact amount of force to restore normal movement and alignment. I'm going to support and stabilize my patient, take the specific contact on the level that I want to adjust, and then apply the correct amount of force while adjusting.